Hey everybody, Cindy Outer here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to play in this journal. This is an old book that I had on my shelf. You can tell here. And, pardon me, I just decided to sew in 2 signatures. Just odd and end papers. A little bit of fabric here and there, that kind of stuff. This is just a plastic sheet, which I love. But anyways, I'm going to play around this book. This is something I made recently. This is a denim sticker paper that, oh gosh, I've had this for years and years and years that I covered the book with. It's not perfect, but it's mine. It's a journal. So I decided I'm going to play around this journal today. I've only done one thing in here, and it was that. Everything else is blank. So I decided I'm going to play around in here today, and I figured I'd bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoy. We'll chat at the end.